What's the meaning of aforementioned? Aforementioned. 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 The word aforementioned is an adjective that is used to refer to something that has already been mentioned, typically earlier in the same text. It implies that the thing being referred to has already been introduced and that the speaker or writer assumes their audience is familiar with it. For example, in the aforementioned paragraph, we discussed the importance of time management. The use of aforementioned helps avoid repetition and maintain clarity in written or spoken communication.